check in, check out friends. How's everyone? I miss you guys. Hope all is well. I hope you got my invitation to the check in, check out Google Classroom. I thought it would be really nice for all of us to still get together, maybe every day through this classroom, and we can maybe set up some Google Hangouts where we can interact with each other, and just thought it would be really cool to do that. So I'm hoping you want to still do that with me. All you got to do is accept my invitation. We can start messaging each other on the Google Classroom, and then we can set up some days and times that we can actually do a Google Hangout together. That'd be fun to set goals every day as a way to kind of check in, and then maybe at the end of the day talk about how we did on our goals. Just something to keep us all connected. So let me know what you think. Hope all is well. Miss you. Hi, Pa. Talk to you soon.